Grabe nga ang 18 Japan. Sobrang excited na nga sila sa darating na Summer Sonic kung saan isa nga po ang SB19 sa magpa-perform doon. Kaya naman kitang-kita nyo kung paano mag-ready ang mga 18 Japan chapter. Grabe talaga at hindi lang yan dahil mukhang sila po ay nagbayad pa ng napakalaki para po sa ads na ito ng SB19. But anyway, narito po ang kanilang naging kwento dahil noon pa man ay nagkaroon nga po ng hindi natuloy na concert ng SB19. So mula sa 18 Japan, 12 days before SB19's first Summer Sonic stage. Every journey has a beginning and SB19's live stage or stages in Japan started with an unforgettable night at their first Japan concert Pagtatag World Tour in Tokyo. And if we'll be talking about Pagtatag Japan, who would forget our second Unica-led ad for SB19 last 2023? The concert may have been postponed during this time, but that didn't stop us from showing support, especially that trying time. This billboard ad in Shinjuku still pushed through during December 2023, even if the concert was postponed to April 2024 that time, and to still celebrate SB19 in spite of the postponement. We had fun gathering with 18 that traveled for the postponed concert. This year, SB19 will take the Summer Sonic stage for the very first time. We're excited for them to showcase the Filipino talent to the Japanese crowd with their unmatched vocals and mind-blowing choreography. Sa wakas, ayan na nga po, SB19 Fan 18 sa Japan, sobrang excited na. Well, it's your turn naman mga Japan 18. Samantala, mula naman sa ibang mga artikulo ay talagang napakarami po ang nagbibigay ng kanilang nga pong mga mensahe hinggil sa naging performance ng SB19. Katulad na lamang ng sinabi at very emotional na ito ni Forever OT5. Aniya, some dreams take years to become reality and every sacrifice along the way is worth it. We're so proud of everything you've achieved. Here's to more stages, more memories, and more history Forever OT5. So makikita po yung crowd kung saan ang SB19 po ay nasa kainitan ng araw pero nag-shine talaga sila. At narito na nga pinakakaabangan ng mga hindi po nakapanood at hindi magsasawang manood, SB19 Lollapalooza Special Performance, mapapanood po sa YouTube channel. At yan po ang pinakakaabangan ng maraming 18 dahil napakarami po talaga ang hindi pa nakakapanood. Anyway, yan ang ating Showbiz Stop update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Stop.